Now on 12 News at 10, breaking news in the coronavirus pandemic. We're sad to report tonight that Arizona has lost its first coronavirus patient. It happened in Maricopa County and involves a City of Phoenix employee. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Mark Curtis. Caribe is off tonight. Arizona's first death from the coronavirus comes as the statewide number of infections is now up to 63. Team 12's Bianca Bono joins us live from the State Health Department lab with the latest details. Bianca.
Well, Mark, we were certainly hoping this day wouldn't come, but health officials saying an Arizona man in his 50s has died from the coronavirus. Leaders saying it's imperative now more than ever before that everyone take precautions to protect you and your family from this virus. For the first time, an Arizonan dying from the coronavirus. The Arizona Department of Health Services saying the man who died was in his 50s. He had underlying health conditions and lived in Maricopa County.
There is a heightened level of risk, and because of this, Arizonans should continue to exercise precautions.
In an email, Phoenix City Manager Ed Zerker says the virus's first local victim, a City of Phoenix employee who worked in the aviation department. Zerker saying the man worked in a remote office and had minimal public interaction within any of the terminals and related airport facilities. But the city staff who had close contact with him will be notified. A county official telling 12 News the man died at home. Governor Doug Ducey tweeting, offering his heartfelt condolences for the man's family and loved ones.
We've expected additional cases, and we know that there will be more confirmed cases as access to testing expands.
News of COVID-19 claiming its first life in the state coming less than 2 months after Arizona had its first confirmed case. Since then, dozens have emerged. It's unclear how the man who died contracted the virus, but many have been from community spread. State health leaders cautioning there could be more deaths, reinforcing their plea to Arizonans to social distance and wash your hands.
Everyone can implement those simple prevention measures that we've been talking about for weeks. These reduce the spread of respiratory viruses.
Again, breaking tonight, we have our first coronavirus death here in Arizona. The man has not been identified, but we know he was a City of Phoenix Aviation Department employee. He was in his 50s. He had underlying health conditions, and we're told he died at home. We're live in Phoenix tonight. Bianca Bono, 12 News at 10.
Okay, Bianca, thanks.